right, what this is right here, this is considered a phone. This is part of our training.